Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to delete your DraftKings account, step by step in a clear and simple way. First, open the DraftKings app or go to the DraftKings website. Log in to your account using your email and password. Once logged in, go to your profile or account settings section. Look for the Help or Support option. From there, choose Responsible Gaming or Account Management. Select the option that says Close Account or Deactivate Account. You may be asked to confirm your identity and review your account balance. Make sure you withdraw any remaining funds before continuing. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm that you want to close your account. Once submitted, DraftKings will process the request and your account will be closed. Keep in mind that once your account is deleted, you may lose access to rewards, history, and bonuses. If this guide was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with the next topic you want to see.